I built my entire online business with just one platform and cut my monthly software costs by 80%. Before Systeme.io, I was paying for ClickFunnels, MailChimp, Teachable, and 3 other tools. That's over $400 a month just in subscriptions. Now I run everything from one dashboard. My sales funnels convert at 23%, my email campaigns hit 4.2% click rates, and I launched my course in half the time. The drag and drop builder makes creating landing pages feel like playing with digital Lego blocks. I set up automated sequences that nurture leads while I sleep. My affiliate program tracks commissions automatically. Payment processing happens seamlessly through Stripe integration. The best part, my students love the membership area where I deliver content. I went from stressed out tool juggler to streamlined business owner in 30 days. Stop bleeding money on multiple subscriptions. Start your free trial with Systeme.io today and see how much you can save while growing fast.